Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're going to talk through how and when to replace the kneading blade in your Panasonic Bread Maker. The model I've got next to me here is the SDYR2550. I'm just going to go inside and remove the bread pan with the kneading blade inside. Just close that. I'm going to angle this down so you can see that the kneading blade is indeed in that bread pan. To remove the kneading blade, it really simply just lifts off the spindle. Pop that to the side, and I'll pop that kneading blade on the table there. So that was removing the kneading blade. How do we know it was time to replace this kneading blade? Well, we can have a look at some pretty severe examples of kneading blade damage here. We've got some scrapes, some damage there. We've got some wear and tear on the inside, but most severely you can see there that the kneading blade is actually bent, and that's very rare circumstances when perhaps you're not following the instructions and the recipes quite so strictly, and if the mixture is too heavy or too dense, the motor is going to continue turning, but that's going to damage the kneading blade and it's going to bend it. So really important to follow the recipes and the ingredient lists as well as you can to avoid having the damage that we've got here. Just to show you, we're going to put our new kneading blade next to the bent one there to show you how severe. That's what a kneading blade should look like. This one here, anything close to this, then you will need to replace your kneading blade, which you can do so by accessing our online accessory store via our support website. So we're going to get rid of this kneading blade, and we're going to bring back our bread pan, and we're going to reattach this nice new kneading blade. You should see there in the bread pan that D shape, that semicircular shape. We're going to line that up to our kneading blade here, and it should just slot on the spindle nicely like that, nice and easily, and that's ready to go. Looks much better, doesn't it? There we go. That's going to work a lot better than the bent one. So that's how and when to change the kneading blade on your bread maker. Again, do have a look at our online accessory store for accessories for your Panasonic Bread Maker. I hope that helps. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.